Okay, we'll move with the next topic, extracting data using regular expressions. Now I have a text file. I have so many lines over there. All those lines are filled with so many email IDs in between. Now we will be fetching or we will be pulling those email IDs. Now how exactly we can do this is, see here again we are not going to split it, slice it, no, all those what we have already learned, splitting, slicing, we don't do it again over here. We will be just using a find all method, which is a new method which we are using, find all, in regular expressions for Python program. Okay, now we will see one small example. Now I have an example over here. I have a line over here, that is s equal to a message from email id to one email id about meeting at 2 p.m. Now we will be extracting these both email ids from this line. Now to do that, how exactly we will? There we'll take one string lst, which is equal to re dot find all. Within the brackets we have two parameters or two arguments over here. First argument is a pattern, that is a regular expression pattern. Now as I already told, the plus symbol is nothing but what? It's a wild card character. Okay, that plus would indicate any number of characters. It means backslash s means it would not be, it matches a non-white space. It means it is not a blank space. It is exactly with some characters. It means before at, after at. Before at, that is slash s, means any number of characters. Plus means concatenating. At symbol. After that again I have few characters, again not white spaces, again plus, which would indicate that plus would be indicating that again any number of characters. So finally plus would indicate you any number of characters which are at that point. It means from there till any number, sorry, till any character in that line or for that line. Now to specify an email id, this is the pattern. Now see, for example, slash s, again it's a not white space, plus, see here with respect to our example, CSEV will be before at, and after at we have umh.edu. Correct. Now we will run this example. We'll copy this, we'll run it in command window. Yeah, see, we got it. I do it again, paste, just run it. It means I have two email IDs over here, that is cscv at umh.edu and cwen at something.edu. Okay, these two email IDs will be pulled out from that line. Now to find email address, this is the pattern, that is slash s plus at slash s plus. Again I repeat,